freaking people calling me. So I guess there's a part 2 now. I don't know how this is gonna work. If not, this is part 1. The other one, well, it's gone forever. But I just show you a nice view from up there too. Yeah, part 2, SMR, Nature Walk. Yeah, and okay, anyway. I'm gonna make this creepy as possible as well, so yay. And cringy as possible as well. A beautiful butterfly. Nature, SMR, part 2, I think. I don't know if the other one is recorded or not. I don't know. Y'all hear that plane? Yeah, not sure if y'all can see it or not. Yeah, not sure if y'all see that plane. Anyway. I am still wearing a long sleeve and a jacket up under here. So yay. I have no idea how hot it is. And now I got a headache. Yay. But see the water? I swam in that one time. Swammed. Yeah, I swam in that one time. Okay, if y'all don't know, just in case y'all don't know this about me, I can't swim. I almost drowned like freaking 5 times. As soon as my nose goes up under the water, I start panicking. Yeah. But anyway. Yay. So, yeah. I don't know what commentary we should do now. Beautiful though. Beautiful. Some dragonflies. Butterfly. Monarch butterfly. Monarch. That joke in my hand. So awesome. Not sure y'all gonna hear me, but the wind is picking up. Yeah, got it. Yay. SMR Nature Walk. Woohoo! Oh crap, I thought I stopped the recording. I was scared for a second. Okay. Birds. beef. Scrub the beef. Right. I think I messed it up, but anyway. It's yeet. This is my saying from now on. Yeet, yeet. Smack the beef. Yeet, yeet. Smack the beef. Hey. And yeet, yeet. Scrub the beat. Anyway. Me and my friends are gonna take a shovel sometime this weekend or I don't know, and dig out this trench. It's getting cluttered with sand and all that. Don't know if you'll like this or not, but hey. What the frick do they do? Oh, what do you know? They block the path. I want to go over, which I can through that, going that way, but I'm gonna go this way instead. Because I mean, why not? Ow, I scratched my face. Nice. Oh, I guess I can show you this. That's back here. If you fall into what I'm about to show you, there's no getting out. So let me tell you, unless you call the fire department and stuff. Oof, if it's been grown over, it's dangerous. Oh, where is it? It's around here somewhere. I don't want to fall into it because I won't be getting out of that. It's somewhere back here. Maybe I'll show it to you another time in my next nature video. I'll show y'all in my next nature video, I guess. It's so overgrown I can't tell where it's at. I'll bring my machete out here. Y'all seen like those makeup SMR videos and stuff, right? I've only watched one SMR video my entire time. I only got through 30 seconds of it before I'd switch that stuff off. But yeah, that was like back there. I think I could go through there and cut off. Wait, look at that, it's a rainbow. My headphones fell out. I should think this is worse than that one up there. Ah, spiderweb. Spiderweb. face. Whatever. There's 30 spiders on it. Whatever was my stick. There we go. There's another one. I guess I'll end this here. Y'all, someone's calling me. Hope you have a good day. Goodbye. Bye-bye.